Ever been down here, Your Grace?
No, I can't say I have. I haven't seen these since Robert had them removed from the throne room.
Curious that King Robert did not have them destroyed.
They were his trophies. He couldn't keep them around, they would have made him look small. Sometimes he would come down here and look at them. I believe he brought his horse on occasion.
Balerion the Dread. The beast that Aegon rode across the sea. His flames forged the Iron Throne and brought the Seven Kingdoms to heel. Powerful, but not invincible. Apparently, one of Daenerys' dragons was wounded by spears in the fighting pits of Meereen. If they can be wounded, they can be killed. The finest artilators and blacksmiths in King's Landing have been laboring day and night, Your Grace. If you kindly pull that lever.
If you want the Iron Throne